Hi Jen, this is Jennifer, and this is just a little information on how to create a wiki for a group. I'm here in a course and I've got my groups area open. You can see I've got a ton of groups already created. Let's say that I've got two groups that I've created here as part of group set, and I want to put a wiki into each of these groups. I've actually already edited these in the way I want, such that when I created the groups, I've got Jen's group 1, and I selected the tool availability I wanted, so I excluded a few things, and I was sure to include wikis, and if I wanted grading, which I did, I made 20 points possible. Now the Campus Pack Wiki is another wiki tool that could be used. I really don't know anything about the Campus Pack Wiki, so if you've heard of people using that, you might want to ask those people about the Campus Pack Wiki. The Blackboard Wiki is the one that I'm going to show you a little bit about how it works. Again, you'd need to have it checked off, and if you're going to grade it, include the grade there, and if you've got an interactive rubric already set up in the system, select that rubric. I don't have that. You can see here that my student account is already actually it's not a member, so I'm going to make my student a member of this group. Submit. And now if I want to put some instructions in the wiki that will be created for this group, I will simply select the group. I see that group wiki is there available. I click it, and now what I can do, I can start the wiki for the students if I want to. And what I would do is I would probably call it homepage, or you could call it anything you want as long as it's a good identifier for students as to what you're doing. And you might put some instructions here. Each student, or actually I don't like to begin that way, I would probably say something like, students, each of you needs to contribute to this by, and then put whatever the instructions truly are. I come down and I submit, and now the wiki is still here. It's called, the first page is called homepage, and you can see that page is right here as well. It was created by me as an instructor on Tuesday at a specific time, and here are my instructions. This could include images, it could include your webcam, whatever it is you wanted in those instructions. You could go in and edit the wiki content at this point, but you don't have to. So you are done as an instructor with creating your wiki. Now you could tell students, I want you to create additional pages. Maybe the project is to do an entire report via a wiki. The home page could be the introduction. A second page could be maybe the pure content of the paper, and the third page of the wiki could be a bibliography. In that case, you would want students to end up using this button to create 3 other pages. And I'm going to show you what that would look like in student view. I'm actually in my instructor view right now using Chrome. I'll go to my Firefox browser, and I'm in that same course as a student. And you can see here, let me refresh this so that you can see what I'm enrolled in. In my groups, I'm enrolled in Jen's group 1, and I'm also enrolled in some other groups. But I'll just click on group 1 here, and my wiki is available, so I click it. Now remember, I'm in student view. Here's the wiki that I as an instructor just created. Here's the home page. Here's the instruction area. And I as a student now can go in and edit this content. So the instructor's telling me that I need to contribute. I click the Edit Wiki Content, and I go in, and maybe the instructions were, first I need to identify myself, and my contribution is blah blah blah. That's my student writing in this wiki page. I submit, and when I submit, the instructions still exist, but the Jen Perkins student contribution also exists. Okay. Now, Like I said, the students may be required to add pages to the wiki. I'm still in student view. I have the option to create a wiki page. And maybe this is my bibliography. And I'm starting my bibliography here, and I can't seem to write today. I submit that. When that is submitted, I then can see my bibliography page, but over here I can also click and get back to my home page. I can click and get back to my bibliography page, and so on. I could keep adding pages as a student, or if I wanted to add pages as the instructor, I could do that as well. Comments can be made, and you can see here what's going on, the creation date, how many comments there were, how many wiki pages there are, and so on. Remember again, this is for one specific group. So if you're doing wikis for groups, you'll have to create a wiki for each and every group. And that's all I've got for you.